Let's be real, modern education is in crisis. So let's check out a new platform trying to fix it.
This question really hits home. It gets right to the core of what's broken with how we learn today.
Our systems are failing us. We've got a wisdom deficit, and we're totally unprepared for digital scams. We're basically training employees, not citizens, consumers, not thinkers. We're missing the whole human being.
And current solutions just aren't cutting it. They're missing key things like inner growth and ethical reasoning. So what if there's a different way? Enter Yuga Odysseys. It's a learning platform disguised as a game. It's built on 24 different domains, all sorted into 4 key areas: foundation, social, practical, and wisdom. And this is a huge shift. We're moving from just memorizing stuff to tackling real-world problems. And what's really cool is it's not about your age. A 10-year-old and a 45-year-old, they both start at level 1. The whole thing is driven by purpose and working together. Learning becomes this continuous, never-ending journey. So what makes it so different? Well, it has 5 unique advantages that are really hard to copy. First up, the sheer breadth. We're talking 24 domains, while others usually just have 1 or 2. And it covers stuff that's usually ignored, like inner development, mythology, and even digital safety. The whole point is holistic development. It brings together your mind, skills, social side, and inner growth. Okay, but does it actually work in the real world? Let's check out a few stories that show its impact. Take this 14-year-old in India. She used what she learned about digital safety to protect her family. And get this, she stopped a 50,000 rupee scam. That's a real-world skill with a real-world impact. Or how about a 35-year-old engineer in the US? He used the ethics training to find new meaning at his job. And in the UK, a 67-year-old retiree found a new sense of purpose, mentoring kids with his skills. So when you add it all up, the impact is clear. Better decisions, more purpose, and amazing cross-generational learning. This whole approach is tapping into a huge market. The global edtech industry is worth over $100 billion. And success isn't just a number. It's measured by real outcomes, like spotting scams and finding purpose. So this is about more than just knowledge. It's about building the wisdom we need to create a better future. Our business model is a pretty straightforward freemium structure. We give away a ton of value for free to get people in the door, with a premium tier for unlimited access. And even based on conservative projections, the revenue potential is staggering, scaling to over $240 million a year within 5 years. And that's not even counting the major B2B opportunities with schools, corporations, and governments. And we can get to market with incredible speed. Our secret weapon is an AI-accelerated development approach, using tools like GPT-4o Mini. This lets us build a really robust product in just 3 to 5 months. Our strategy is to go broad first, covering all 24 domains up to a D6 difficulty level in a tiny fraction of the time and cost of traditional development. So let's bring this all home. By 2030, we see a world with 10 million users learning together. We see families connecting across generations, schools using this to drive real engagement, and corporations using it for ethical training. The ultimate goal is to cultivate a society of systemic thinkers who act with wisdom. Ultimately, this whole thing is about creating a generation of people who can think systemically, act ethically, and choose wisely. So I'll just leave you with this final thought. If we can teach millions of people how to thoughtfully rebuild a civilization inside a game, just imagine the kind of world they can help all of us build in reality. So here's how you can get involved. We have clear paths for educators, investors, and learners. Look, this is more than just a product. It's about building a wiser, more resilient humanity. Join us.